A warm welcome to you, our esteemed viewers. In this tutorial, we want to evaluate this nested radical, the square root of 81 minus the square root of 56. To begin this, we are going to simplify the square root in the bigger square root first. The square root of 81 is 9, while the square root of 56 can be written as 2 root 14 in radical form. Then to manipulate this, we can observe something about 9 and 14, in that the sum of 2 and 7 gives 9, while the product of the same gives 14. So we are going to break the two down into sums and products. Thus, we have the square root of 7 plus 2 minus 2 times the square root of 7 times 2. Then let us take the plus 2 to the end, so that the expression becomes the square root of 7 minus 2 root 7 times 2 plus 2. Now it is getting interesting as we rewrite this as the square root of 7 is written as the square root of 7 squared, as square and square roots, when they cancel out, make the number to become 7 again. Then minus 2 times the square root of 7 times 2, by the law of product of radicals, can be written as square root of 7 times square root of 2. And finally, plus 2 can be written as plus the square root of 2 all squared. But recall that this perfect square trinomial, a minus b squared, can be expanded to, or is factored from, a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. This is similar to the expression we have inside the big square root, where a can be seen as the square root of 7, b can be seen as the square root of 2, and the middle term is the product of 2 times a times b, that is 2 times square root of 7 times square root of 2. Therefore, we can factor as a perfect square the expression inside the bigger square root as follows. Square root of the square root of 7 minus the square root of 2 all squared as a perfect square. And the square roots cancel out the square, meaning that the expression simplifies as the square root of 7 minus the square root of 2. We believe you have learned something from the manipulation of these nested radicals. You can work out this, the square root of 64 minus the square root of 60. Comment with your solution in the comment box, or send it to the email attached to the description of this video. Do subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, so that you can be updated from time to time on our new math tutorials. Till we see you again next time, have a lovely day.